Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with all the latest car accessories and maintenance tips. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the car air vent outlet cleaning brush and all its fantastic features. First off, let's talk about the soft and smooth material of this brush. The ABS and nanofibers ensure that it won't scratch or damage any surfaces in your car. And with a weight of only 40 grams, it's easy to handle and maneuver into those hard-to-reach places. We've got a variety of uses for this brush, from cleaning your car air vents to getting rid of dust and dirt on the dashboard and instrument panels. The adjustable length and flexibility of the bristles make it the perfect tool for all your car cleaning needs. It's even suitable for cleaning your car's interior, windows, and seats. But that's not all. This brush is also a fantastic accessory for various vehicle brands and models, including Tesla, Audi, BMW, Jeep, and more. Plus, its special features like car washing and scratch removal make it an all-in tool for maintaining your car's interior and exterior. The high-quality construction and durable materials used in this brush ensure that it'll hold up to frequent use and maintain its effectiveness over time. And with a 2-year warranty, you can rest assured that your purchase is protected. So, if you're ready to keep your car looking clean and like new, make sure to check out the link in the description below to get your car air vent outlet cleaning brush today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.